My name is Sri Lim Hock San, Malaysian, and I've studied in Cardiff, graduated in 1982 with the first class honor from what then University of Wales Institute of Science and Technology, but now calling it Cardiff University. I'm also now a group executive chairman of two public listed companies in Malaysia, Alumni LBS Bintang Group and NGB Berhad, as a property and construction respectively. So what I can say that I have left Cardiff since 1983, 82, came back in 83. And what I can say that my professional journey started after I left Cardiff. When I was doing the A-level in one of the college in Portsmouth, and that was 1977. So because at the time I need to enroll to the university, so I think when we submit the application, there are 5 universities for us to choose. So I've done a lot of extensive research. What is the best university for me to study? I found that Cardiff is the right place to study. That's why I chose Cardiff to study here. I think I'm not regret study in Cardiff because Cardiff trained me to be design using thinking, giving a lot of practical, and it helps me to equip how to be dealing with the human relationship, especially when we go out to the society to work. You need to have a good relationship with people. A lot of things that we equip. That's why I will not regret, just like I mentioned. And today I'm a group executive chairman of 2 listed companies. That's what I had. I can say that Cardiff give me all this. I think it's the best. That's what I can see because I graduated from the Cardiff, and they give me a lot of training to be one of my future career. And I can say that the Cardiff give me the tool, but life taught me how to build. So this is a university you should go and study because I had done a lot of research on that university. And I can say that that time when I was when I came, it was the top 3 the university in the United Kingdom. And so of course, congratulations to all these young graduates. And some of them may have to go outside to find the work. Some of them may continue to study whatever thing. But what I can advise that when you come out this society to work, you have to be trustworthy, you have to be humble, you got to work hard, dream big. Then will not go wrong. This is what I can say. So that's the thing that I can say. Human relationship you should have, all sort of things. Then what I can say, Cardiff give us the tools, but life give us how to build the thing. So I think congratulations to them.